We will immediately index and lower your taxes so that families will not have to choose between their rent and food.
Alberta Premier Danielle Smith making economic, social and health promises in her keynote address to a packed house at the UCP annual general meeting held in Edmonton this weekend. In her first AGM since becoming Premier, Smith spoke strongly about fighting the federal carbon tax, lowering electricity costs, but a major issue she touched upon was addressing long wait times in emergency departments.
To address emergency room lineups will improve the triage on the front end while ensuring that those in need of additional care but not in need of a hospital bed are moved to more appropriate facilities and supported there.
In the press conference afterwards, she also says an announcement is coming about her and Health Minister Jason Copping's efforts to make ambulances readily available in the province, a problem she blames on AHS management and vaccine mandates.
Once the world knows as well that we aren't going to have vaccine mandates, I suspect that those who have been fired in other jurisdictions will know that they will have a home here.
In the same vein, Smith firmly states both she and Minister Copping are in agreement that they will not instate any COVID-19 restrictions this fall. This as Alberta nears 5,000 total deaths due to COVID.
We have now moved on after 2.5 years. We know a lot more about this virus. It is mutated. We have effective therapeutic treatments for it. There will be no restrictions related to COVID-19 in particular in the fall. He and I are in perfect alignment on that.
In response to how she'll be voting on the policy resolution proposed that seeks to ban teaching critical race theory in schools, the Premier said she'll be listening to newly appointed Deputy Premier Casey Madhu to inform her decisions.
What they care about is for us to build an equal society where it doesn't matter the color of your skin, it doesn't matter the sound of your mother tongue, it doesn't matter the faith that you practice.
Premier Danielle Smith also mentioned the UCP have been crafting their Sovereignty Act and hopes to have it done by the time she takes a seat in the legislature, which she does not have yet.
Alberta will no longer ask permission from Ottawa to be prosperous and free. Those days are done.
In Edmonton, Sarah Chu, City News.